Guys, I'm here at Blizzard getting a tour.
Oh, sorry.
Watch where you're going. Hey guys, I'm with Torbjorn.
It's Torbjorn.
Torbjorn. You're a dwarf, right?
I'm not a dwarf.
He's a dwarf. Guys, I found Diva. Diva, would you go to dinner with me?
I have a boyfriend.
You must forgive yourself, brother.
Genji got no chill. Oh man, look who it is. Symmetra.
You were not meant for greatness.
Yes, I was. Hey, McCree, what time is it?
That ain't gonna work this time. I'm gonna see a step off.
It's high noon.
Thanks, Torbjorn.
It's Torbjorn.
Winston, how's it hanging?
Oh, pretty good. I mean, I spend a lot of time exercising. Oh, I get it.
I'm here with Tracer. Oh my God.
Experience tranquility.
Say what?
It says, I'm not a young man anymore. We're all animals. You take my line, I'll take yours. Deal! By my calculations, I'm a real animal. Peanut butter and bacon.
Hey, what's going on? End of the day, leaving the Blizzard campus.
I need to know where the bathroom is.
Who is that? Who is that? Reaper.